Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Vision of the Divine Cosmic Form. Chapter 11, Shloka 47. The Blessed Lord said, "Graciously by me, O Arjuna, this supreme form has been shown to you by my own yoga power, full of splendor, primeval, infinite. This universal form of mine had never been seen by anyone other than yourself."
Chapter 11, Shloka 47. Shri Bhagavanuvacha Maya prasannena tavarjunedam Rupam param darshitam Atmayogat Tejomayam vishvam anantamadhyam Yanme tvadanyena nadrishtapurvam.
Chapter 11, Shloka 47. Seeing Arjuna afraid, the Lord withdrew his universal form, and consoling Arjuna with the sweet words, he said, "Generally, without the single pointed intellectual quest, the underlying principle of oneness in the multiplicity of the gross world cannot be comprehended. Mentally scattered, physically worn out, emotionally upset, the miserable condition of Arjuna and this Arjuna state of utter despondency are far removed for any divine experience. But Krishna had, due to tremendous powers, given the required eye of wisdom to Arjuna and made him realize in a chance moment of mental pause the vision of the cosmic form. Here we have a confession from Lord Krishna that it is not the privilege of all devotees to come to perceive this form tremendous, and that Arjuna is enjoying it as a special favor due to his infinite grace. He also asserts that this splendid, primeval, infinite, universal form of mine has not been seen by anyone else. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.